My fault, y'all. We got interfered again, but this the third part right here, and that's connecting the rest of the drawers. So like the drawers, that's how I'm connect the drawers, the top, things like that. But this end up right here though. Check me out. So I done just put all them in number 15 now. 15 is 15. You put all the silver things. These in the holes in number 15. And after you do that, you wanna hold on. Oh yeah, let me see one more thing. I ain't want to take you see. Alright, now it's time to put the brushes to the drawers together. 15, 11, 11. I'll try to get through it at 10. Alright. Alright, what we're gonna do now is take the 11s. These are the 11s, y'all. Number 11. What I'm doing is spreading them out on the floor. See? What I'm doing is spreading them out on the floor. I'm gonna take the 12 and the 14. The 12 and the 14 and connect it to the 11, y'all. See? That's how this goes. It's gonna go like this. This is how it's gonna go. Alright. It's gonna go like this. So what we're gonna do is take these, put it in the 12s. Take all these, put them in the 12s and 14. Put them in the 12s and 14, the little silver chrome. So I'm gonna take a 14 and a 12. Oh, after this, y'all don't have to do it. And you're gonna take all these and put them in the 11s. See these little screws like this? Little screw. They go right here in these. It's the 11. See that middle hole right there? That's where all these screws go. Middle hole up here, middle hole down here. Put them in all these 11s. And then you have one more right here. You put it in. 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna put it in here. You're gonna put one screw here, one screw down here, and one screw in the middle up here. On all these 11s. You're gonna put them in all these 11s. Just like that. And then after you get them in there, you're gonna screw them down. See, now I'm gonna screw them down. And this how it should come out to be. See, one screw right here, one hole. One screw right here, one screw in the middle, one screw at the top. Alright, then I'm gonna take my 14 and my 12 and stick them on right here. You see that screw right? It's a hole in the middle. That screw gonna go right in that hole right there. But we forgot to add the black things right here in here too, on each end. Each end of your 12s and 14s, golden black things. Each end on your 12s and 14s, both sides. I mean, one side of each, both, all of them, one side of all of them. Alright, so then you're gonna slide it over that screw right there, see? It's gonna be just like that. Then the screw go in that hole. Like that. And you're gonna take the 14. Remember I said put the little silver prongs in there. And you gotta put the little black things in there. Two right here, one right here, and one right here. See? And that silver prong. Put that one in there. Just like you just did the one. This one, just like that. Like you just did that one. Boom. Let you do that. Remember these? That's 12, 14, and these 15 go right here in the middle. And the stapler. See? Just like that. Remember, you already had put your screw in there. So when you stick that in there, when you stick that on top of that screw, you stick this on here and you twist it to lock it. And that's how you lock it. Lock them, twist to the right. That's how you lock it. Not hard. See? Lock everything locked on now. Yeah, so now you do the same thing with the next one. Do the same thing with this. Take the 12 and the 14. Put the little black cues in. I'm gonna take out one and put the black cues in so it won't take me so long. Just grab them and keep on moving. And I'm gonna put the little silver things in them at the same time, all of them. We're almost done, y'all. Just take a little while. Alright, put 12 at 14 and 14. Don't take a rough time to figure out how to do it. 12 on this side. Yeah. Give me a 15 in the middle. And lock it all down. Twist to the right. Locks down, so that just locks down. Locks down. Locks down. It's still spinning a little bit. Lock down. This one down. Screw my screw. Well, $14. My bad. Had it on the wrong side. assembly, well, that's how you assemble, y'all. I'm assembling on my dresser so I can show y'all the full assembly. That's how to assemble this dresser right quick. So then you get this board right here. Just slide it down in the latches. Right there. Full assembly, one dresser, y'all. That's something very important to do today. Then after you get that, slide that in there. You come and grab number 13. It's number 13. After you slide your ball in, you grab number 13. You don't have to assembly nothing on there because all you gonna do is screw it on. And put number 13 in there like that. Get your long screw. And your long screw, you have a hole in the back like all of them. But you just stick this in right here and screw it down. Just like that. That's just how simple it is to be piece chest truss. Other side with the same screw stick. Right there, your little PP hole right there. Put that in there just as well. I do a lot of handwork. Then once you get to look, y'all, you have a dresser. Now, last but not least, about assembling the dresser, you have a couple of more things you have to assembly. Handles. Your handles. They give you a couple of plastic handles. This is for the little screws. With some silver, small silver screws. Just like some fun, with some small silver screws. So what you do with this here, you get your tall smooth tooth, your silver screw, stick it through the hole back here. Stick one through that hole right here. Stick one through that. You only get two, but stick one through that hole. One fell in. Grab your thing right here. Screw it in there in the back. Then come here and screw this in. And after you screw that in, you have a perfectly fitted dresser. Simple. Very well. You just come over here. Come to the dresser. Now the dresser is complete once you put the top on it right here. But once you assemble the dresser, you just come up to it like that. Close very well. See? Then this comes here, y'all. In the assemble the top for this just really quick. Alright, these gonna go up here, y'all. Oh, got it, yeah. One more. And then what you do there, take this. This is the top, y'all. Top of the dresser, which will go right. We have to take these little screws again and drill them in these holes right here. Got some holes to go in. You got some small holes right here. Take 4. 5, 6, because you will have to lock them down. Just screw them in. Once you screw them in, the dresser will be complete once you add all your drawers. Once you add all your drawers, your dresser will be complete. Screw all my little screws in, y'all. I just screw it in like this. I put it on. Flip it. All right. Sorry about that. I mean, just see what it is.